So I have a rash on my face from some earrings that I've been wearing. I have very sensitive skin. And so this is a witch hazel plant. So what I'm going to do is gather some witch hazel and make a quick toner. So I will walk you through it. I've gathered some witch hazel leaves as well as stems. You don't have to, you can have either or, but I just gathered the leaves and the stems. Now you want to add just enough water. You're going to put the leaves and the stems, if you use both, into a pot, and you're going to add just enough water to cover the leaves and stems. I only use, this is well water. You have to be very careful with the water that you use when you cook as well as when you make medicine. But this is well water. You can use distilled water, you can use spring water. I'm just not using the water from the tap. Now, the first floor of our home thoroughly smells like my teenage years. I wasn't using Noxzema. I sure did keep some witch hazel on hand though when I was a teenager. But unfortunately, I was buying witch hazel in a bottle, which is usually filled with a lot of alcohol and it's too harsh for the skin. But anyway, I brought the witch hazel to a boil, and I'm going to, the water is brown, just like you're making tea, and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, about 30 minutes, to allow it to cool. So this is the final product, the witch hazel. And I actually harvested a little cotton from the garden a while ago, and I'm going to use this cotton to apply to my rash that's on my face. Now this isn't an intense rash. I just broke out a little bit. It's not itchy or any of that. I just noticed that I broke out from these earrings. So that's how you make a quick witch hazel toner.